Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Last year, on your fraud case, Emma, I boy way DJ. Why DJ look NY DJ a publisher someone a quiet a year audition be moon send some into a name made by a fiancé so edit pictures name evidence a babble tia what be mona echo a tramans na mona so see a fear men so be a guy tis what bow on the ames my boam. Nina Antony, I saw about the octopus. The same say, Cassavian, I'm a pond. I'm cocoa ram demo, and you had done for yes. I dear man who pan say, From how would you be as small with Nimsa or cover with cheap, maybe a more personal issue. Not all can't someone. Anna Instagram was a home pa. So you'll be a sample, no be evidence in your no, the commander. Not obese of a show box, nor the way evidence are blown. Now say Coswa. I'm the young man for Cassam. I'm Cassam from the celebrities. Instagram. I say from Cassam, my fan. My fans. And did they say I'm a fans? Now, Uncle Obas say you're better moody. Just a gun I had ye. She gave me on it, Tracy Poyen. Gay, and this in gay. There be
Gloria Canny.
That canny Baba so preaching obediently. Ni view ya 30.
So the Tracy be
so a 2K summer 2K. And your my
I internet sir.
I say ni pet
negativity more.
And say so be a channel no na you the call.
The energy na
Cry ebe huh? You be so
I say when they watch a heli pantama. Pantama. And talk on the
Gusu. I mean, person who come the Brianna and Yammy the saw ban or bear pons where you shall. Industry where I team. Industry where I team. And no penny industry, maybe I'm catchers Andy. So about went into quite me worry. I man the baby or madu. It be 80-50 from because I know she had Dr. Chabisha so Jenny. I didn't Chabisha teaching me. See all the time, yes, young mamma. Obi akanya shawo no obo but onhu de ofa onso ba bi ofie wa bompa ye hia be ma se be ma bi ba wo de ahomekeka ene so ni ba kofa media ni bo betima ja awchina because china another guys be ba be approach no so enti no we ye ni nipa bebre nya encounter e be take wu asa da bi memfa me ho nya basa but so ba bia na obi nya sam no mo ka we ya shawo na we ya se no esa na ye nkase ani mo nyam no ase ye totona which is bad and
Eti one starting to one could
some one na ye ni video on na ye do content on na ko fa obi ba so no so ma bi obeka seti a afia ana afia so chese sa na wo ka dia ene me so me prove Ghana for say no so sabe ayi cotton etu a 20 free faja so yeah that's it
Zami and to call we say no ebetwa
what say
and to call na one mun to call na mo ka
e bo be 230 maso ba ko ntia asem na fesi no
okay
se bo be 230 maso ba ko ntia asem
enti de na ntia asem no
na fesi no
na fesi no
enti want it
o say
want it
o me na we mra
Zani
yes
and to call e ko so wahu
oh mehubi mehubi mi na ebi nso akasa
oni ebi mu akasa
mehubi but I am say asem na akasa ho
Brahma no say
I said some for your critic account here omudi bully microphone omo de we nyina aba no em say cratch you say girl say dey ominim page wo Instagram say afi na no so aba say e friend no abrewaba konkonseni em so no na I don't know me who say mo na mommy nti em so no ni mo na akodi efia ho nkomo and them say friendship gone bad and a blogger na be release this and some maka fa efia ni dan foforo na wanya no and a blogger na eco leak some information and if you are copy so if you go say if you are post blogger no the post in common be and say how if you said there be mona and you be a bibi crowd to me friend na say na edna as a wo family so be investigated dan amenya ni say and the way you that's what I know and the way you na dia ba
na mona say or investigative journalist
I don't know no catch a blogger and say on investigate a dino
na benefit dia
and then just be a friend
crow ya yetim no bi enko so ya obi dadwena
no say
say mona betima yesa wo
me no be ne dade ma ye na ngo so ye ni mo ye dade ma ye na gugu abonten so ye nim me nim ni aba in fact I don't know me nim ne ye omukodi obi hu komokora me nim ntina I can't judge say when na ye first and when na ye second but the point here is e wi ati ankasa wo hu ye nhwe ye nkomodidie
yo
me am na say wo ase wo hwa ase matimo kakra yes ase masesa wo wow be fi say masesa nti wodi mata me be che de me disappoint wo kan me kan but say enkomo bebre hey no I prefer talking to my husband now talking to my mother now and I'm me kan say me say fi na shase ye shase na ye bo crash so why say mama me ma ware jam
yeah mama to verse na
Erade mesro hu na fiaswas na gama yi mobo Erade mesro hu na fiaswas na gama yi mobo na mo be wo maame na de maame ni timi fachi de mamoane no me mo be wo maame na de maame ni timi ka e ma e kire nipa ma nipa ka to mo nkola na mo so ane se no me afiaswas na gama yi fiti politicians so fiti asofofo so from individual so wo bia be na no na wadome nkola yi everybody tin kwofo adome nkola yi adome maami adome na sefo ama apostle Kwadwo Safo so enra wa she video na afie ti na tam na sun adome afia mai everybody me komi nkoto dwani mesro hu na afie so stega mana mobo mesro hu nkola ne mobo na ubenya maami bi sei de afanyinam senka wotena asesa ajanka Ghana ha ya ka mo se mayenka Yaka mo se mayanka eno me na bi kan fiaswa ste gan na sefo nko a Kwadwo Safo suo wo su ni suo papa na te kan ni suo a watie se abofra ni nim ne da afiaswa ste gan mi hya ne ba bia da na me hwa bra mabo me se no me ne bi kan fiaswa ste gan ko bi be kan wo hya me a de afiaswa ste gan be no social media no so bia bu feel say ye the aviation stake about social media no so bia mo ko ni page ko comment. I started this fight 2018. 2018 I'm sharing to koya say ejina Ghanaian youth say somebody like a Afia Schwarzenegger ya no say onipa but ma ya no wasema woka. I've been having insult every day. Now no was it yen minya koka bibi pegana for nya wona started it na time minya Afia Schwarzenegger temo na mom niema wo ya emwo abegin trehe abegin sem no enwo asem na meka ya ka mo se mayenka then we will have people coming on your own post to insult you misia no me na bi beka mo and no me na bi beka I have started this fight on Instagram or social media all alone since 2018. And probably if I had support from you people, and can fear the way anyway, yet the fear betting samo, the fear yo, me just want me tia de minobia. I find I'm 2 bedrooms have contained my mind, and Namedia minobia not to insult Apostle Kwadwo Safo, Mr. Ghana Penifo in our original same way, Muna Munim. Ghana Penifo has risen in this case, Muna Munim. And out of your ignorance, you still come on people's page to insult them. Me say, what the Afia Schwarzenegger be na enye? You can't. What's in my yanka no? No me na be back count. Apostle Kwadwo Safo sooner was smoke was as a coco Ghana as a coco no be back count. A be back count. Apostle Kwadwo Safo when Afia Schwarzenegger video no soon, and he wept. Bible man Quebec say and he wept. Papa no soon. Yes, in this so many no. Asma what can I say? Na me nya Afia Schwarzenegger bonded da. Me God me shane da me nimo no. I don't know the dim atem. Afia what me ka say? Obi obey so Apostle Kwadwo Safo ka o Ghana ha bia no. Wonimu nyansa. Opem so o say tutu. Me tene so na ma sore ye. Asante hene otu kan tanka cars ne ba ko 3. onim nyansa wadi atam di opemfo atem opemso wadi atam wo man yimu cap no na aye man abo bia bewu a opregragara no wo wo cap no na aye man Ghana ha betasem wei ye be jamana kade anka ya nto ba bi wo man yimu wadi atam apen eye the starting okun we 2018 ni nyankofo so masene ma ye kon yanka wagya kwase